Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Checkr background checks. Review my usage experience. Checkr background checks. Review my usage experience offers background check services for employers and individuals. Its main purpose is to provide comprehensive and compliant background checks, helping businesses make informed hiring decisions and individuals verify their own background information. Key features likely include criminal record checks, employment verification, and education verification. Their website provides details on their various packages and pricing. Checkr emphasizes speed and ease of use, touting a streamlined process and transparent pricing. They claim no hidden fees and a quick turnaround time for results. Availability is widespread, catering to businesses and individuals across the US. How to check availability is detailed on their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Checkr background checks. Review my usage experience. I needed a background check for a new job application, and Checkr was recommended by the company. Getting started was surprisingly easy. I created an account in minutes, and the onboarding process clearly guided me through each step. The interface was intuitive and user-friendly. I was able to easily upload the required information and select the specific types of background checks needed. The entire process was completed within a few days, and the results were delivered promptly via email and were clearly displayed in my online dashboard. I was really impressed by how quickly I received the results. One standout feature for me was definitely the detailed explanation of each report section, making it easy to understand. One minor drawback was that I had to manually update the information when I wanted to submit the results to a different company. It wasn't a major issue, but a bulk export feature would have been helpful. I had a quick question about the report's accuracy, and their support responded within a day via email, which I found efficient and reassuring. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Checkr's service. It was efficient, reliable, and transparent, which made the whole process much less stressful. That's my overview of Checkr background checks. Review my usage experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.